Okay, so we're going to prepare our packer sleeve for our packer here. Now we want the end of the plastic to line up about there, so we can get some duct tape on the end of the packer, but also around this crimp here. So the sheet comes when it's flat. It's like that, so you got two edges. So we want one edge on the bottom. And you slide your packer to where you need it. Okay. So you want to take your time with this because you want to get that right, and then we want to get that right on the edge there, and we're going to fold that over. Okay. We're going to get our duct tape. You want to try and keep a bit of tension on your duct tape when you're doing this. Now about 4 times is enough. Just to stop our water getting in and to protect our packer. Now on the ends here, we usually fold that over. So when you're going to pull that duct tape off, you've got a nice tab on there. So we want to then start with our elastic bands. Now this is just to hold the packer sleeve in place. So we usually would do one about every 300 mil or so. And you just want to keep that plastic nice and straight. So if you do them every 300 mil or so, you don't need to have any right at the top ends here because we've got the duct tape. And then at the other end, we do exactly the same thing with the duct. And you'll end up with something like this. Now that's ready then to connect your air rods and pull rope on the end, and then duct tape the end as we did at the start.